Hey, what if your bank account could also be your investing superpower? For years, we've thought of our bank and our brokerage as two completely separate things. You keep your cash at one, and you grow your money at the other. But what if there was a way to blur that line, to make your everyday spending and saving work directly with your long-term investing goals? That's where the idea of making Stash your primary bank account comes in, and trust me, it's a concept that's definitely worth exploring. Stash is most famous as an investing app that makes it super easy to buy fractional shares and build a portfolio. But they also offer a checking account, the Stash Stockback R card account, and it's designed to seamlessly integrate your banking and your investing. It's not just another place to hold your cash, it's a strategic hub for your entire financial life. The Stash Advantage, investing while you spend. The biggest draw, and the reason you might consider this switch, is their incredible Stockback R program. Think of it as cashback, but instead of getting pennies back on your purchases, you're actually getting pieces of stock. Here's how it works. You use your Stash debit card for your everyday shopping, groceries, gas, streaming services, and Stash gives you a fraction of a share of stock in that company, or an equivalent ETF, as a reward. For example, buy coffee at Starbucks, and you might get a little bit of SBUX stock. Pay for Amazon Prime, and you get a slice of Amazon. It's a genius way to essentially automate your investing without even thinking about it. Every time you spend, you're contributing to your investment portfolio. Your everyday life becomes an engine for wealth building. Seamless integration and smart tools. Beyond the Stockback R feature, using Stash as your main bank gives you a level of financial integration you won't find at a traditional bank. First, you get early payday. With direct deposit, Stash can give you access to your paycheck up to 2 days early, which is a fantastic benefit for managing your monthly budget and avoiding overdrafts. Second, the app makes it incredibly simple to move money. Your banking and your investing accounts are right next to each other. Need to transfer money to buy that new ETF you've been eyeing? It's just a couple of taps. This easy flow of funds removes a huge barrier that prevents many people from investing consistently. No more waiting a day or two for an external transfer to clear. And finally, Stash offers a feature called roundups. When you make a purchase with your debit card, Stash rounds it up to the nearest dollar and transfers that change into your investment account. It's another subtle, passive way to save and invest that really adds up over time. Who is this for? Making Stash your main bank isn't for everyone. If you need complex commercial banking features or a massive branch network, maybe not. But if you are someone who is new to investing and wants a simple, low-barrier way to start, someone who struggles to save and invest consistently, looking for a way to maximize every dollar you spend, then Stash is a brilliant option. It essentially flips the script on banking, turning your spending into saving, and your debit card into a tool for building your financial future. It's all about making your money work harder for you, effortlessly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.